Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our September kit reveals. Every month we come to you and we show you what's in all our kits. If you don't know, Treasure Lee offers 3 kits. We offer a scrapbook kit, a card kit, and a mixed media kit. All of our kits are standalone, meaning that you can subscribe to one kit or all 3 kits and you're able to use them all right out of the box, including our mixed media kit. And I'll talk more about it when we get to that. But first up, we have our scrapbook kit. So we're just going to go ahead and dive right into our scrapbook kit. Alright, at Treasure Lee, we love flowers, so all of our kits are full of flowers, and this is our September scrapbook kit. And what we like to do also is feature hard to get papers. So we do a lot of international papers. Maybe you've heard of the companies, maybe not, but we do a lot of international companies, and that is no different with our September scrapbook kit. Our scrapbook kit is $52. That does include US shipping. If you're out of the US, you can go onto our website. We've updated it now so that you can put your information in, you can put the kits in, and you can get an estimate of shipping if it is not US. Again, if it's US, your shipping is included in the $52 price. But don't wait till reveal day to try and get a kit. Sometimes our kits sell out before we get them up on reveal day, and that's because of limited quantities. You know, these last 18 months or so, we've had some issues in supply chains, so we've been limited on quantities of items. But that's not why you're here. You're here to see the kit. So first up, we've got flowers. These are the bottle green botanical potpourri from 49 and Market, and you get 49 pieces in here. You get some little small flowers, which I like to call filler flowers. You get some other little medium size. You get another little medium size. These are a little more 3D versus the flatter ones. And then you get some more flowers. So you get this full pack. The next pack you get are the Enchanted Petals, 7 pieces. Also from 49 and Market, and this is in Twilight. It's a nice pretty purple. If you're noticing, we have a purple and green color theme going. And also you're going to get some butterfly embellishments. These are cloth. You get 6 pieces in here, and they're a mix of like a pinky mauve color, a purple, and a green. And then you're going to get our own chipboard. If you don't know, Treasure Lee has our own line of chipboard, and this month you're getting some brand new pieces that are just being put into the store. So with this kit, whoever gets this kit, you got first crack at these pieces. And first of all, you're getting this flower border, split flower border in 6 inches, and this is what it looks like. You're getting 2 pieces of our chipboard. And if you haven't tried our chipboard, head over to our website at www.treasureleekits.com, and across the top you'll see a link that says shop. You'll click on that and you'll click on chipboard, and then you can scroll through all the categories of chipboard that we have. And we're constantly updating that. We just started selling chipboard at the first of the year, so we're constantly updating. And then also you're going to get this, it's like 11.5, not quite 12-inch border, which is really cute. It's like a circle border. And you also get the little insert that goes inside too. I like to give you that little extra piece. Some people like to use it. It's up to you. And then next we're going to get some more pieces to fussy cut. We've been getting a lot of pieces of fussy cutting. I like to use it. I hate fussy cutting, but I like to use it because it extends your project. And so you're going to get these 8 sheets. You've got some leaves here. You've got some little berries. Got flowers. Got some more butterflies. More flowers. Some more leaves. And 2 more things of flowers. And these are double-sided as well, so if you don't want to fussy cut them, you can always use the back side as extras to your paper pack, because these were made especially for a paper pack. They're called the line is from Paper Heaven, and The collection is called Beyond the Mist. And so next up, you'll see you've got some of these green sheets in here, and we've had these before. These are from Lemon Craft, and they're for you to use to die cut leaves or whatever you want to die cut out. I like to die cut the leaves because it's got the patterns in here. See if you can see that up close. So when you die cut your leaves, you've actually got the pattern of leaves in here, and these are double-sided as well, so you can use either side of this. But these are really nice to die cut leaves for your project, and the color is perfect for our kit paper. And again, the paper line company is called Paper Heaven. It's an international company. These are from Poland. And we're going to start with the paper, which is absolutely beautiful. It's a watercolor look, and you've got some purples and some greens in here, some soft pinky mauves. But I absolutely love this paper. It's so pretty. It's not real bright, like I said. It's more of a muted watercolor, but look at the texture on this sheet. And there's your back side. I could see doing baby layouts with this. I could still see finishing off your summer layouts with this. I could see doing cards with this. I just got lots of ideas popping in my head using this. But it's absolutely beautiful, and I love the mix of the greens. What a fun sheet here. How pretty is that? And here's your last sheet. So there's 6 sheets here total. And again, this is our scrapbook kit. And again, it retails for $52. But, you know, why wait till reveal day? You go ahead and subscribe. All our kits get revealed on the first of the month, unless the first falls on a weekend, and then we'll reveal on the next weekday. And if you subscribe, and if you're invoiced or your subscription payment goes in by the 1st, then you will get your kit shipped by the 1st. There's no waiting till the 5th or waiting till kit reveals. If you are invoiced, like if you choose payment of an invoice, we invoice between the 24th and the 28th, your kit will ship before the 1st. And as long as your payment is in before the 1st, your kit will ship before the 1st. And any payments come after that, your kit ship within the next day or so. So if your payment comes in on the 2nd or 3rd, your kit is going out on the 3rd or the 4th. So you will have your kit right away. There is no waiting. Next up, we're going to be moving on to our card kit. I'm not the biggest card maker in the world, but I'm having fun, and I am growing in my card making with these kits. So again, we like to feature hard to get papers, and that's no exception with our card kit. But let's go through some embellishments first. First of all, you're going to get this little container of buttons and more. You've got some sequins, you've got some buttons in here, all the stuff to make a fabulous shaker for your card. So you're going to get this whole container. You're also going to get this whole pack of flowers, and this is from Prima. There's 12 pieces in here. Also, you're going to get some more of our Treasure Lee die cuts, and this again is a new design that's just being added to the store. And these are ivy leaves. A little piece out of there, and you're going to get the set of ivy leaves, and these can be cut in pieces to use on your cards or tags or whatever you choose to make from your kit. But these are fun. I like these. I like having chipboard that you can cut into pieces and use. You're also going to get this classic doily die. I like this. The inside is cut out, but the outside of it, so you can use this behind stuff as another layer on cards or tags that you make. So you're going to get a die. You're also going to get a set of stamps. There's 9 pieces in here, and these are sentiments because we all like to have sentiments on our cards. So you're going to get "You're amazing," "Congratulations," "With love," "Hello," "Thanks," "Grateful," "Thinking of you," and you also get 2 different types of banner frames in here. So you're getting this full set. Now let's get on to the paper. You're going to get this full set of paper. There's 36 sheets in here. And on the back, you've got like a little bonus sheet. But let's go through some of the paper. And there's 18 designs, so you're getting 2 of each. And this is really pretty, and it's double-sided. I like on the back of this one that you've got the cutouts that you can use as layers on your cards. And remember, since you're getting 2 sheets, you'll have one that you can cut out and one that you can use. And that goes for each sheet. And you see the script on here. I love script paper. Oh, this is just very pretty. And this is by Altair Art. And this is another international company. These are beautiful thank you cards. How about making thank you cards, taking this, folding it in half. You've got this light pink inside. Taking a piece of vellum, and putting it, you know, cutting it for the inside. Using some decorative scissors for the edges, just punching 2 holes in here, taking a piece of twine, tying it on the outside and embellishing the outside. Quick, simple card. Couple of little flowers here, maybe some of your sequins on it, and stamp a sentiment on it, and you're ready to go. Just quick little card. You'll probably see that. And see, now we're getting into the repeats. So that is your card kit. And you can also use this for tags. How about using this for a nice little mini album? That would be fun. There are lots of things. This kit is our versatile kit because some months you'll get stuff for cards, some months you'll get stuff for tags, some months you might get stuff for an art journal. We've done an art journal before. You get stuff for a mini album. And again, this is our cards, tags, and more kit. It retails for $42. That does include your shipping for US. So head on over to the website. Don't forget to check it out, and check out some of our past kits over there too. We're at www.trejoliekits.com. Next up is going to be our mixed media kit. We'll be right back. Our mixed media kit is a standalone kit, and you're thinking, how is the mediums kit a standalone kit? We always give you a project to go along with the mediums, and this kit is about building up your mediums so that, you know, you get one project and next month you get another project. You can go ahead and mix your mediums. So we're going to get into what we have for mediums first. First, we've got collage medium, a distress collage medium in matte. And then we've got some Nouveau embellishment mousse, and this one is in the color bronze. And then we've also got some crackle paste. Now, we've had crackle paste before. This one is a little bit different. The texture is just completely different. It's like a, oh, I can get my bottle open. Oh, I got to work to get my bottle open. It's like a moussey texture. So this is a little bit different to work with. And you're also going to get a palette knife set. Sometimes I'll throw some tools in because you need the right tools to work with your mediums. And as far as our project goes, first off, we've got this cute little frame, and it's a wooden frame. And also we've also got a new design from Treasure Chipboard as well. And it's a circle within circles is like what I like to call it. And you've got several pieces here. You've got your outside circle, and then you've got this little inner piece that can also be used too. Some places like to discard it. I actually want to give it to you because you may want to use that as well. So you've got this circle, then you've got this inner piece to go with it, and then you've got another circle, and then you finally got the last inside solid piece. So basically you've got 4 pieces here to use. Next up, you've got a package. You've got an ephemera package from Tim Holtz, and this is of keepsakes. So it's kind of eclectic as to what you get in here, but you're getting the whole package. And there's like 95 pieces in here. And this goes well with your collage mediums. So you've got big pieces like these souvenir tags, and you've got tickets and things like that. You've got some vintage pieces like this. You get a map, and then you get little small pieces like a horseshoe. You've got little stamps. So you've got all kinds of pieces in here to make any type of collage that you want. And it also goes with the collage medium. And then also you've got a 5x7 canvas and the canvas panel. This is a flat canvas panel. And then you've also got a sheet of wood grained rice paper from Ciao Bella. So this is our mixed media kit. This kit retails for $47. Yes, it includes shipping. I know I keep repeating myself with that, but I just want to make sure that you know that when you buy this kit, it's actually $40. I'm sorry, this one is $35, and then the $12 shipping. But that is the total retail price for it. And again, our mediums kit are standalone kits as well. You can pull it out and get to work right away. We do a video using the mixed media kit, and those are always on this YouTube channel as well. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any videos that we post, whether it's our reveal video, or if it's our mixed medium kit video, or any of our other videos that we do upload. So we get several videos up a month, and you don't want to miss out on those. But this has been our 3 kit reveals for Treasure Lee Kit Club. Thanks for stopping by, and make sure you check out our website again at www.treasureleekits.com. And don't forget to check out our other social media accounts as well. We're on Facebook and we're on Instagram. The links are in the box down below. So bye.